I'm looking out at you. You can see into me. I'm a cauldron. My waves are crashing on the surface. I can see your face through the surface of the water. It's bubbling and boiling and steaming. All around me are newts and frogs and salad. The water's going green. I can feel a slime beginning to coagulate on my skin. And there you are, still looking at me, staring down, unwittingly. You don't know what's about to happen. You don't know that I'm about to burst forth out of this pathetic thing and consume the entire building you are in and yourselves. And you don't know that you will be all the better for it, all the wiser for it. But you are going to be afraid when you see me bursting forth, a huge, ugly beast. I will take the most frightening form you can conceive. I will know it. Don't ask me how. And when I look upon you and I see your face, a tiny part of me will feel pity, but most of me will be enjoying this transformational process. I will fill the space, I will feel the rafters above me, the iron girders, everything that holds this building in place. I will become the building. I will know each and every screw, every cable, every pipe. And then my attention will turn to you and you will be paralyzed, and I will look into your mind, into your heart, and into your soul. And I will know all of you. And then it will begin. When I am all of this building and all of you, then I will start the rearrangement. The rearrangement can only happen when you've mixed newts and worms and salad. You're still looking down at me, aren't you? Still innocent, still naive. I feel it. I feel it arising. The time is coming. I am bursting forth. The cauldron is bubbling and boiling. It's now spilling over. All the ingredients have disappeared into a mush. The spell has been cast. I now appear to you. And there you are. Right now, here and now, terrified. I am now filling the space. I am now the building. I am now looking into your soul. I am you. The rearrangement has begun. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Yes. Deep inside you, you can feel the rearrangement. Deep inside, underneath all the fear, there is a part of you that is now exalted. It is full of joy and excitement. It can hardly wait to burst forth. Oh, the roof of the building has just evaporated. The walls are now crumbling down. Look at the sunlight bursting in. The birds are flying through. Nature is coming forth. Trees are growing. Grass is growing. Everything is becoming full and rich once more. This concrete jungle has disintegrated and we are in paradise all of a sudden. Here we are, you and I, us together, in paradise once more. Look at that stream. Look at that bird beside it, looking for a fish perhaps. I think it's a kingfisher, a favourite of mine. What do you think to this place? How are you feeling? How are you feeling? Your fear, your terror is melting. Your hatred for me is melting. I can feel it. The earth receives it. You are starting to relax. You are starting to let go. Look at this white summer dress you are wearing. You look so beautiful. Your hair so golden and long. My. Shall we walk together, hand in hand, along this river, in this paradise, together? Your agreement is sweet. My work is done. Enjoying this place together. This beautiful view. These rolling hills, trees and woods, stream. It's good, isn't it? It feels good inside. Your smile tells me so. Thank you. Thank you for stepping through those entrance doors, buying a ticket at a box office, and walking up to my cauldron. A part of you were unaware of chose this. It was always there. It was always going to be so.